Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a frustrating issue that plagues many Android users: poor microphone quality. We're talking muffled audio, crackling sounds, and recordings that just don't sound professional. If you've ever struggled with this, especially when recording videos, voice notes, or even during calls, you're in the right place. We're going to fix this using a powerful tool, the Magisk module. This module is a game changer. It works by disabling the handset noise canceller, which, ironically, is often the culprit behind these audio problems. While noise cancellation is designed to improve clarity, it can sometimes overprocess the audio, leading to the very issues we're trying to avoid. Now open the Magisk app. In Magisk, tap on Modules and then select Install from Storage. Navigate to where you downloaded the Magisk zip file and select it. Now, this is a crucial point, especially if you're using any other audio modification modules. The Magisk module also falls under the category of audio mods. This means that if you have other audio modules installed, there's a potential for conflicts. To prevent this and ensure everything works smoothly, you'll also need to install the AML Magisk module. Once both the Magisk and AML modules are installed, the final and essential step is to reboot your device. And that's it, you've successfully installed the Magisk module and, if needed, the AML module. After the reboot, test your microphone by recording a video or a voice note. You should immediately notice a significant improvement in the clarity and quality of your recordings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.